The reason towards why I created a YouTube channel or I started YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Ida256UG. In this video, I'm going to share with you the reasons as why I started a YouTube channel. One of the reasons I started a YouTube channel was because of COVID. Number one, it was because of COVID. Due to the outbreak of COVID, countries introduced the lockdown in order to reduce on the spread of this COVID. So during that period, people were told to stay home, to isolate themselves, to social distance. So most of the companies decided to keep their workers at home. Some kept on doing home-based work, like those ones dealing in data entries and others. And some of other companies had to lay off workers. So during this period of COVID, I had to spend like a period of 3 to 4 months without working. During this period, I had a lot of time. I could go surf the internet, go to YouTube. So when I was on YouTube, when I went through YouTube, I got to watch many videos whereby I landed on too many channels, educative channels, and many others. So I got into this channel of Dennis Duke, whereby he was talking about the reasons why he left his job and he decided to concentrate on YouTube. So when I watched the video about him leaving his job, I liked his content. I decided to watch more of videos on how to do YouTube, and then later I found myself opening up a YouTube channel. So I started creating some videos. I posted them on YouTube, and now I'm here creating videos for the YouTube. That's one of the reasons I joined YouTube. Found some channels like Amito Mitra's channel, Nabs Ara, content creators in Uganda. So I watched them, Diadora, and many other channels. These channels inspired me to also continue creating these videos for my YouTube. And number two, another reason so as why I joined YouTube is to share knowledge. I wanted to learn more things, for example, especially about business. That's why I picked this business as my niche. I wanted to share my knowledge about the things I've learned. For example, I did research, a lot of research. So the need to share my knowledge and creating more videos for my YouTube channel is the reason I joined YouTube. To grow my personal brand. YouTube helps you meet new people, work on new projects. This is a strong way to grow your brand. So I decided to join YouTube to grow my personal brand. Number 4, I joined YouTube to pursue my passion. And since I did some designing, so I wanted to grow my passion in designing and editing, like video editing. So I wanted to keep on with my knowledge about editing and improve on my skills. So I joined YouTube in order to grow my passion, field of editing and designing. That's one of the reasons I joined YouTube. Number 5, YouTube opens a lot of opportunities. YouTube is a mainstream website where different people gather, so it creates many opportunities. YouTube also provides opportunities to content creators in the way that you can get to star in movies because of YouTube. You can get sponsors from YouTube. For example, you can get sponsors and start earning from your YouTube channel. So YouTube is a source of opportunities. It is also an easy way of marketing products. Those are some of the reasons I joined YouTube. You can have like your business. If you have your business, you can easily market it through YouTube, making it a good platform for opportunities. So if you want to get a market for your products, consider joining YouTube and get the audience so that you can market your product through YouTube. And number 6, YouTube is a way to earn money. That's one of the reasons you would like to join YouTube. By creating these videos, you can get to grow your audience. get a lot of following, subscribers. Then through this following, after reaching the minimum requirements for joining the YouTube partnership program, you can earn some money through your YouTube channel. You just have to create your content, your videos, post them there, and then if the content is good and people like it, you will start earning from your YouTube channel. So consider joining YouTube as a source of income. And you can get sponsors who want you to promote their products. For example, MTN and other companies, big companies, they can decide to advertise on your channel, and then you earn from these adverts running onto your channel. Now these companies will pay for your services while posting your video. You just post your videos, talk about this company or any sponsor, and then later they will pay for these services. So if you want to earn some extra income, you can consider joining YouTube. Also with YouTube, you can express your crafts. For example, if you have like a skill in graphic designing or web designing, or a skill in editing, photographing, you can use YouTube as a way of expressing your work to the audience or to the public. So if the public loves your work, they will get attracted and contact you, hence gaining customers for your products. So you can also join YouTube for that same reason. And also, if you express your crafts on YouTube, it will bring improvement on your work, because the more you keep on doing something, the more you improve. If you have like small experience in a certain area, you can decide to do YouTube. For example, if you're just a beginner in editing, the more you do YouTube, the more you grow your editing skills. So it's a way of improving on your skills. Also, YouTube nurtures what you already have and also make you to be a better version of yourself. So consider joining YouTube for some of those reasons. With YouTube, you can also capture attention of audiences with different styles. With YouTube, you can also capture attention of audiences with your styles on a niche. For example, you can choose to do niches on food if you're into food. If you have passion with education, you can do videos concerning education. You can do videos about education, travel, and then capture the attention of your audience. Number 8, YouTube is a way of, for example, if you have a low self-esteem, you can use YouTube as a way of building your confidence. In that, YouTube will bring you to the spotlight, and you can get comments that are uplifting and encouraging. Though you can also get critical and negative feedbacks. From others. So make sure this will hurt you at first, but the more you grow on YouTube, the more you ignore this negativity and concentrate on the positive people who will uplift you. In the way of building confidence with YouTube, just focus on the comments and critics that help you grow or improve as you grow in this field of YouTube. So if you want to join YouTube, those are some of the reasons I joined, or you can join YouTube. If you have liked this information in this video, you can give it a like. Consider subscribing and comment in the comment section. Thank you for listening to